Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset on your speaker JBL Boombox 4. To perform the factory reset on the front side on your speaker, you'll find play pause button and volume up button. You need to press and hold at the same time these buttons simultaneously for at least 2 seconds. So let's do this. 1, 2, now you can release your finger, and now we should reconnect the speaker with the phone. So firstly, let's turn on it, press one time at the power button at the top, and now go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your speaker. Then click at the forget this device button, or you may have forget device or unpair or remove or forget or only forget. Tap at this button to remove your speaker and forget device again, because without it, if you try to reconnect your speaker, now we're in the panic mode, I tap on it. If you have iOS, it will ask you to remove this device. On Android it will show you connectional trouble. So after you remove your speaker, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have refresh button, let's say on Realme, tap at this button. Then you will see your speaker at the device list, tap at your speaker, and we just reconnect it with the phone. If you want to reconnect it with the app, you need to also open JBL Portable app and then wait a bit. And now, as you can see, it automatically reconnects with the application. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.